Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter. I just deleted 183 items from my eBay store. Stay tuned to find out why. I've been reading a lot of Facebook, eBay seller groups and watching a lot of YouTube channels on eBay reselling. And one of the things that keeps coming back is how to refresh a listing that's just been sitting too long and stale. So I tried doing this and I did 100 of them at once, which I think is kind of crazy, but it worked. It refreshed them. So there's two things you can do. You can go into the ended page and relist the item. That really apparently doesn't do much to let the algorithm know that it's a new, fresh item. So what you're supposed to do is end the item, go into the ended page, and then sell similar. What it'll do is it'll create a new item number, and it will also add all the pictures that you did and all the descriptions and everything in there. But a lot of people say just by doing that still doesn't trick the algorithm into believing it's a new item. So you do need to tweak that listing a little bit. So whether you change the price or add something in the title, something in the listing so that it looks like a real, fresh, new listing altogether. So this is what I've done, and I'm going to show you how I did it from my computer. This is my eBay screen. In order to revive my listings, I look just to double check that there's nothing in the ended listings, because otherwise you might get this messed up. Nothing is in my ended listings, and I go back to active and I choose the ones that I want to end. I'm going to do start date and look that way. So the oldest ones. I'm checking off the ones that I feel have been here for quite a while. These are several months old. I'm going through them pretty quickly just to save some time here. These are the ones that I'm going to end the listings and then sell similar so that they are refreshed new listings. Oh wow, I'm already at September. This one I just listed recently, so I'm not going to do that one. It has 40 views in the last 30 days and 3 watchers. So I'm going to just, and actually this is from September 18th, but I think I'm going to do it. So these are the ones that I've chosen. I'm going to go to actions and I'm going to end these listings. And am I sure? Yes. 28 listings. I'm ending them right now. Now I go back over to ended and there they are, all 28. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click this, which marks all of them, and I'm going to sell similar. So this is going to create a new item number, but I also want to make some changes in here, which I'll be able to do shortly. So I'm going to hit sell similar, and this is going to process. I know where this is my custom label identifier. G is for garage, CC is china cabinet, and so forth. This is in bedroom closet, and so is this. I like to go through these and add some stuff. This is out in the garage. It updates all of the locations so I know where everything is. What I'd like to do also is just make sure, let's look at the pricing. Maybe I should change things just a little bit. This way the algorithm picks up that it's actually a new listing. Some people say that it's not a new listing, even if you sell similar, if you haven't done anything to it. So I'd like to try and, do a little something to it just to try and fool the algorithm, although I don't think you can. A lot of items I'm just going to bring down $1 or $2. I'm just going to double check all of these and then I'm going to submit all. And it's still saving, so I do have to wait a moment or two for this. I only did 28 items. See, here's the other thing. I have some insertion fees, and I'm not really sure why. Future Allison here. I know why I got some insertion fees while redoing all of these listings. So you get 250 free listings per month. Earlier this month, I ended some items and then I relisted as sell similar, just as I'm doing here. But the number that I've done, including the 100 that I did yesterday, has exceeded 250 items. So now I had $15.50 of insertion fees yesterday, another $9.80 today, and the next time I can get free listings will be starting November 1st, which is 10 days from now, 11. You know, some of the insertion fees are like 30 cents each, whatever, but yeah, that's what happened. That's fine. I live and learn. So I figured it out. And now back to the computer screen. So now I want to submit all of these listings. And I did get charged $9.80. You know what? It's fine. I just need to start moving my product. And then I'm done. Now, before I go and delete the items in the ended area, I don't want to do that until I'm absolutely positively sure all of these items have been relisted, right? So there's 28 of them. I go back to my active and I have 234 items, which is what I had before. So this is good. So I'm just going to wait a few more moments. It's still populating. These items are back in that I just relisted. I think I wanted to change to $29.99, but I have to edit it because I do have in the listing a minimum. And if you go in here down below, see, I have offers $32 and above. I don't know why I did that. They must have been a lot higher before. So I'm going to drop this to $25 and above. And now I'm going to drop it to $29.99. Let's actually drop this down to $23. No, it doesn't always take right away. $23. Done. There we go. So this way it knocks people out. If someone sends you a lowball offer, it'll automatically decline it. By putting a minimum offer amount, you can allow offers, but you can have a threshold where your minimum is $23 and above. You can also have an auto accept amount. Say you at $25, you just automatically accept it. So now I've dropped those shoes down and I am going to revise it and it'll save. Everything else is listed now. I see everything. There are 234 items. That's what I had before. So I can go back to the ended screen and I can delete all of these. That way, when I relist again at some point, I won't be confused. I hope that made sense. I think it did. Let me know in the comments below whether any of this made sense. Please. Because it actually has worked. I did, sell something that I relisted yesterday as a sell similar. At least one item sold. Great. I'm just trying to put some energy into my listings because it's kind of dead right now. Let me know, again, in the comments below whether or not you like these kinds of videos. I'm not sure if you want to see more of this or do you want to see me more out thrifting. Let me know. Thanks for watching Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.